What if I told you that all the planets are Earth in different stages of its evolution, visible all at once? But how can Mercury evolve into a gas planet like Neptune, you ask? First, we must set the stage for this cosmic evolutionary journey. You see, in the beginning there were no planets, no gas giants, and no asteroid belt. There was just a single star about to give birth to a single planet. The uniplanetary evolution theory guides us through the journey of a single planet's evolution as it transforms into the planets in our solar system. Imagine a cosmic cradle, where a sun births a planet composed mostly of iron. This newborn planet, still aglow and molten from its fiery birth, begins its journey. As it drifts further from its stellar parent, 1 billion years old, it starts to cool, its surface hardening into a crust. Behold Mercury with its newly formed shield volcanoes. The planet begins to grow in size. At 2 billion years into its journey away from its life-giving star, an atmosphere begins to form. A Venusian veil of carbon wraps the planet in a sweltering embrace, causing it to heat up more than when it was huddled up next to its sun. This intense heat liquefies the planet once again, creating a molten iron core. At 3 billion years old, something miraculous starts to happen. The planet begins to acquire liquid water and oceans start to form, cooling the surface and solidifying it even more. Beneath these newly developed tectonic plates, the molten core stirs, generating a protective electromagnetic field. This allows the atmosphere to flourish as the planet continues to journey away from the sun. The planet's rocky surface and iron core continue to grow due to its shield volcanoes active around the world. This is the first chapter that spans over 3 billion years. We journeyed alongside the life cycle of a single planet, Mercury transitioning into Venus and then into Earth. Thus, a water planet is born, and the journey has only just begun. We continue our trek through the cosmos as our planet embarks on another 3 billion year transformation toward becoming a gas giant. As it journeys further from the sun, its atmosphere thickens, growing increasingly volatile. Electrical storms rage, creating a spectacle of nature's raw power and beauty. These electrical storms cause the oceans to undergo a drastic chemical reaction known as electrolysis. As the oceans release their hydrogen, it contributes to the planet's growing gaseous atmosphere. This hydrogen begins to envelop the planet, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. At this stage, our planet appears as a hybrid with its rocky core and vast oceans still visible. However, its runaway hydrogen atmosphere expanding at an alarming rate gives it a mini-gas planet appearance. Theia is born. Theia resides in the orbit of where our current asteroid belt would exist, centered between Earth and Jupiter. 2 billion more years pass, and the storms continue. Theia has been devoured by her own hydrogen atmosphere and now resides in the belly of Jupiter. Then out of nowhere, a celestial body, a comet akin to a cosmic bullet, strikes Jupiter. The impact triggers an explosion of colossal magnitude. The hydrogen in Jupiter's atmosphere ignites, setting off a chain reaction that is nothing short of breathtaking. This explosion sends off a wave of gases and debris with immense force, transforming Jupiter into Saturn with its massive rings. The aftermath of this celestial event marks the end of one phase of planetary evolution and the beginning of another. From the ashes of devastation, a new planet emerges. Saturn, once a symbol of cosmic destruction, begins a slow but certain transformation. Grand rings, majestic and awe-inspiring, start to dissolve bit by bit, pulled back into the planet by the unyielding grasp of gravity. The rings lessen, the planet changes, morphing into a version of the planet we now uncomfortably pronounce as Uranus. However, the evolution doesn't stop there. This planet, now much farther away from the warmth of the sun, begins to cool drastically and emits less gas from its rocky. The freezing effect causes the planet to stunt its growth in mass. As this process unfolds, another transformation begins. Once a testament to Saturn's fall, now starts to resemble another celestial body in our solar system, Neptune. As the rings continue to dissolve and the planet maintains its previous size, Neptune is born, a testament to the continual and unending cycle of cosmic evolution. Now let's rewind to the explosion of Jupiter, for this is where life sparks. First time through this celestial cycle, there was no Jupiter to detonate and annihilate Earth. Instead, Earth grew larger, morphing into a planet known as Theia. Theia is the theorized world believed to have existed in the space between Mars and Jupiter. This planet was only pronounced by a ring of rubble. Theia had a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and a visible rocky core. It's the missing link to terraforming a rocky iron planet into a gaseous giant. The cataclysmic explosion of Jupiter caused Theia, this hybrid gas planet, to shatter, creating the inner asteroid belt we see today. The debris from this monumental impact transforms our Earth into a Mars-like planet, a smaller, less volatile version of its predecessor. As we journey through time and space, we see the planet strung out like pearls on a cosmic necklace. Each orbit is separated by roughly 1 billion years, a testament to the slow, methodical rhythm of planetary evolution. However, the gap between Mars and Jupiter is immense, almost as large as 3 to 4 billion years. The reason for this discrepancy remains one of the universe's most tantalizing mysteries. When we step back and look at the solar system as a whole, we see a paradox playing out before us. Is the grandfather paradox of our solar system? It's an enigma as fascinating as it is perplexing. Jupiter not as a planet, but as a cosmic batter in a celestial baseball game. Sun effortlessly pitches, and with a resounding crack, Jupiter sends another shattered Mars hurtling into the asteroid belt, a graveyard of celestial baseballs. And here's the twist: Jupiter isn't destroyed. Reaccumulates and reignites its gaseous atmosphere every billion years, creating a cycle of destruction and rebirth. Billion years, our sun spits out a new planet, and Mars is wiped out only to form again. It's a cosmic repetitive loop, held hostage by a random turn of events. How is this paradox possible? We are witnessing a future version of Earth, Jupiter, destroying a past version of Earth, Mars, into dust. What can we take from this grandfather paradox playing out before our eyes? It gives us a profound understanding that our future can affect our past without affecting the outcome. Astonishing, and to life as we know it, because without this random chain of events, we as a species would not exist, and our understanding of the universe and time itself. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you're a passionate explorer of the mysteries in our cosmos and are eager to uncover new perspectives, you've come to the right place. We post thought-provoking videos every day, so don't miss out on any of our mind-blowing episodes. Hit that subscribe button now and embark on more awe-inspiring voyages of discovery.